nigo abamenyi bensemo ya Jogoo ne chinsemo chietanaine litkoria rero banyora oburingoria nogosegetwa nabo igogosemiwa eng'enche barabakomenya korwa ase enyagitari ya Kanyimbo kubwataraneria Life Care Eldoret mosakito nabo igomoteneri bwa mang'ana maya ase egetasini kiga Eric nigo ikasensemiyo na koene kianga otoretere ilimo ase linde korwa sensemiyo.
Nina furaha sana kwa siku ya leo. Hospitali kuu ya Life Care iliko kule Eldoret imeanza kushirikiana na hospitali ya Kanyimbo ambayo iko hapa Jogoo Estate, Kisii County. Tulikuwa na matibabu ya bure ambayo tumeweza kusaidia wakaaji wetu wa Kisii County na county zingine jirani. Baadhi ya matibabu tuliweza kuwa nayo, tulikuwa na daktari wa mifupa ambao tunaita orthopedic surgeon, tulikuwa na daktari wa macho, that's ophthalmologist, tulikuwa na internal and family medicine au daktari wa nyumbani na dawa za familia. Vile vile wagonjwa wameweza kufaidika kwa free medical camp, wameweza kuscreeniwa, wameweza kupewa madawa kwa wale walikuwa na stahili wapewe madawa.
Today we are hosting a free medical camp at Kanyimbo Hospital in conjunction with Life Care Hospital from Eldoret. We are targeting to bring the much needed specialist services to the community, to the local community here in Kisii. We have managed to see quite a number of people today, almost more than 200 people who are majorly from the local community. The main purpose of this camp was to bring specialist services to the people of Kisii and the Lower Nyanza region. We were offering purely specialist consultation services for free. We had our lab tests being done for free. We had x-rays and we had also fluoroscopy services being offered for free.
This is about the medical camp at Kanyimbo Hospital, which is based in Kisii, Jogoo area. This has been arranged or organized together with Life Care Hospital. Life Care Hospital is based in Eldoret. We have an understanding hospital to hospital where we collaborate and we synergize the strength. Kanyimbo is a new hospital, recently registered with Kenya Medical Council, which is last year, and in February we were able to be incorporated or accredited to social health insurance, and currently we are able to do minimal services like inpatient admission, patient consultation, especially when people require specialized care. At Kanyimbo we have two medical specialists. One is a geriatric, meaning he looks at elderlies. The other physician is focusing on kidney diseases, or what you call kidney problems. But both can be able to see people with medical problems, generally cutting across all body systems. We also have two surgeons, myself, I'm an orthopedic surgeon focusing on mainly knee and hip joints, or people with fractures and back issues, and people with limb deformities.